college apps. College apps. College apps.
Today, college is one of the most popular post-high school plans. And with the amount of jobs that are requiring a college degree, especially high-paying ones, it's growing even more important that you get a college degree.
So, what I want to do in this video is give you guys some tips and tricks from what I learned during the college application process, and I also want to try and give you guys a bit of a guiding framework for how you guys should approach this process.
It's really important that you guys research both the colleges that you want to go to and their majors, because you want to go to an institution that has the resources that can support you and your ultimate goals. Now, if you haven't figured out your goals yet, that's fine. Just make sure to find a college that gives you a lot of those opportunities to explore and for you to find communities that you can connect with for job opportunities, internships, because those are so important. Remember, you can go anywhere, but not everywhere can support you. Most people usually apply to between 5, 10, or if you're really feeling it, 15 to 20 different colleges. Now, I'm not saying you should apply to 15 to 20, and in fact, you probably shouldn't if you value your mental health. But the reason why it's really important to be efficient is because it's really easy to get caught up on a single application. Applications are hard. They take a lot of time, thought, and care, and it's so easy to get carried away by one of them that you lose time to work on everything else. I know that's what happened personally for me, where I would say, wow, that essay question is actually really cool. Maybe I should think about this more. And then I end up spending 3 weeks on it. If you guys are wondering, you guys probably shouldn't be working on a single supplement essay for 3 weeks. You guys should give it maybe about a week, a few days maybe, and then you guys should just call it good. Because trust me guys, it's not worth the time, right? So, guys, okay, so TLDR, be efficient, don't get caught up on one application too much, and move on. Okay guys, so the final thing I want to talk about before we end the video is just how stressful and challenging the college application process is. If you guys are ever feeling just too stressed out and and you guys just don't feel like you guys can do it anymore, please take a break. And I think that's maybe like your work life balance, your work play balance is probably one of the most challenging but also the most important things to focus on during the college application process. Because remember, you gotta be healthy, you gotta be alive to go to college, right? Find like maybe new game or something that can help you de-stress and just forget about this whole college application process. For me personally, it was running. It was running in these trails out here that were like conveniently super close to my home, that where I could just like leave everything behind, and yeah, that's how I de-stress. Hey guys, I also wanted to add that while I was doing my applications, I actually took the time and actually so my teacher actually recommended that I go see a mental health counselor just because she noticed that I wasn't really looking like myself. So I really encourage you guys to just utilize whatever resources you guys have, because even just talking to someone about your worries, your problems, it can help so much. Anyways, back to the video. Right? You guys don't need to feel any shame in how you guys are feeling. Just remember, just take care of yourself. That's what's most important. Okay guys, so that's gonna wrap up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and remember, stay healthy.
College apps.
Today, college is one of the most popular post-high school plans, and with the amount of jobs that are requiring that are hired, today. Introducing tree.